Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. My name is Vanessa. Today we're going to be doing a full tutorial of how to apply the magnetic. We're going to be doing, babe, why are you here? Oh, Luna, sorry. Hi guys, Vanessa here. Today's video is going to be how to apply magnetic lashes or apply lashes with a magnetic liner. So this is the new lash glue liner by Kiss. I've been raving about this magnetic lash glue liner, so I thought I should come on here and do a whole video dedicated to this eyeliner. So if you guys would like to see how I apply lashes with this magnetic liner, then just keep on watching. I'm going to be applying some faux mink Ardell lashes with the new Kiss lash glue liner. So this lash glue liner comes in two colors or two shades, whatever you want to call it. It's black, and then this is black specifically that I have here, and they also have a clear liner, so if you're into that. I personally like the whole like cat eye with my liner, so a little bit of wing here. So I do prefer the black, so I did pick that up. And then these are what the lashes look like. They're faux mink wispies by Ardell. I did already go ahead and apply my full face, my base. So I applied my Fenty Pro Filter Long Wear Foundation. I applied Kylie blush in Close to Perfect. By the way, what's happening with Kylie Cosmetics? I'm hearing a lot of speculation. So hopefully that she still has stuff coming out. Anyways, I did put on this blush right here. And then I put on my Fenty bronzer in the shade In the Sun, along with Jaclyn Cosmetics highlight in the shade Sparks. So that is what I have on the face today. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's put the hair up away from the face because it is getting hot with the lights. Okay, so this is what the liner looks like. It comes in this nice, almost looks like a regular traditional eyeliner pencil? No, eyeliner pen. Kind of like my Stila. My all-time favorite is the Stila black eyeliner pen. So it looks exactly the same, and it has that nice fine point. So a couple of things I'm going to mention that I love about this pen is that you don't need to apply too much pressure to get the pen to glide over the eye. You will see that in just a sec. The other thing I like is that it's pretty pigmented. It's black. It's not kind of like watery texture. The other liner that I have tried that is kind of similar, but now this is way better than that one. That one's like $28, I believe, is a velour eyeliner. The reason I don't like that one anymore is because it was great at the beginning. I was like, oh, cool, I could do magnetic lashes, not have to worry about glue, wait time of it getting tacky. Anyways, that one is a little bit more water in consistency. So in this one right here, you will see that it glides very easily and it's jet black. So it's not as liquidy as that one. I can compare this one to the Glamnetic magnetic liner. I do love Glamnetic because it's so easy to also put on the eyes. The only thing is that if you're a beginner, I feel like the pen is more easy, like user friendly. The Glamnetic has more like of the wand, so it's more like a brush. So you have to be very steady hand when applying that. So I feel like this is very beginner friendly. The one thing I don't like and con to this, but at the end of the day it is a lash glue, is that it's a little bit hard to take off. So you have to be very thorough of how you wash the eyes and make sure that it's off the lash line of your eyes. So one thing really quickly before we start is that you do want to apply the eyeliner one eye at a time, because you do want to apply the lash as it's wet, not dry, for it to stick. So I did go ahead and cut out my lash. Let me try one more time. So there is the quick little wing. It's not perfect, but we have a wing and a nice liner. Sticks right away. Okay, so I'm going to apply some mascara onto my natural lashes and almost like pushing it up into the false lash. So one thing I don't like about these, I'm sure you can see in the video, but I don't know if I can just see it because I have my magnetic mirror, is that the foam ink magnetic, sorry, these are not magnetic, what do I keep calling it that? But the foam ink wispies have a thicker, like clear band, which I don't like. So I had to go over with my black pen to kind of draw over it a little bit. So I do prefer the OG Demi Wispies by Ardell. Those are the pair I've actually been using, but I did pick these up and I wanted to try them. Anyways, but they do still look really good and they do obviously work. Like the band is just a little bit harder to conceal. But anyways, nevertheless, still looks really good. Just depends on how you feel about your band. Let me show you the band really quick before I apply the second lash. So see how it's a little bit more clear? It's a little bit harder to conceal. You definitely want to take off any excess gooiness around the strip of the lash. Okay, we definitely have sisters, not twins, when it comes to the liner, but let's just move on past that. Going to apply really quickly the lash as fast as I can. Okay, so that completes the lashes. I'm going to put really quick my lip. Okay, I'm removing the Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. I did do a whole video on the liquid lipsticks that I picked up from Jaclyn Cosmetics, so I will link that video down below so you guys can check it out if you have not watched it. But I'm a Cancer, you will see in that video. I knew right away, I'm like, that's my color, that's my shade. It's definitely my favorite out of the ones I picked up, but I do like all of them for different vibes. Okay, so that completes my quick little tutorial. I hope this video is not too long. So that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also write down in the comments what you guys would like to see next for my next future videos. My next video is going to be my review on my Fenty Skin Tint Blur Ease foundation review. So that's going to be up next on here on my channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss a video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.